So we are here at the arrival. Nasaan tayo? Mami? Brunei International Airport.
It's now 11:50 p.m.
11:50 p.m. kami dumating. And wala ganong tao, as you can see. Immigration na ba yan?
Parang.
Yeah. So, I'll be back again. Ayan. Nandito. Nakuha na natin yung mga luggage. Saan na tayo pupunta? Ha?
Check in.
Uy, payat mo dito, mami.
Oh my God.
Oo, tingnan mo.
O sige, huwag na natin alisin yung angulo na yan.
Ayun oh. Wow, payat oh.
Very good ako dyan.
Oo nga, mami, ang payat mo rito. Ay, wala na. Ayun oh. Oh. So, saan tayo pupunta?
Sa hotel.
Tapos,
Check. Matutulog tayo kasi it's 8 a.m.
let's go. Sabi mo sa airport number 9.
Good morning. Parang kami lang yung tao dito sa airport.
Yeah.
Yung plane namin na dumating. So yung mga kasama namin. And no one else. If you can see yung mga carousel, wala.
Tahimik. As usual. Ayan. Nandito na yung sundo namin. Abang na sila. So, total of 53.
Sana pa siya nakikita yung Brunei?
Ha?
Tayo pa.
Brunei Darussalam. Darussalam. Ayan.
Dito ka.
And ayun. Si Jollibee. Kahit saan. Oo nga, nagutom ako bigla eh. Na-miss ko tuloy yung Chicken Joy.
Sorry, miss. It's for the escort. Ah, okay. Francine will be there.
Mami, hawak ka. So, kami yung bangs ko.
Dami. Ayaw lang dito.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa bus. Going to the hotel. Daddy, kitang-kitang kinakalikot mo yung aircon dyan. Oh.
Mami.
Okay lang, pero wag mong itutok sa ulo ko ha. Alam mo na, baka mahamugan. So, nandito tayo sa bus. Going to the hotel. So, how's your trip?
Okay naman.
Hindi ka natakot sa plane?
Pero sa dyan ka, wapa ko.
Abit.
Berapa banyak?
Abit. May lubak kanina.
Siguro sa ulan. Okay.
Gimana tadi?
Alis na kami. See you later, guys.
Brunei at night, everything is closed. We don't have 7-Eleven.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't have 7-Eleven. Even the shops will be closed at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Some restaurants will be closed midnight, but only some. Maybe 3 or 4 only restaurants. Brunei, we don't have nightlife. No nightlife.
Priyon daw, Priyon. Mami, surprise! We're in Brunei.
Yeah, meron daw kaming
So, since lagi niya akong kinukulit sa renewal of vows, ito na yun.
okay.
So, dinala na kita sa Muslim
ito
country.
na yung, ito yung reception. Ready na siya for tomorrow.
Oo.
Ayan, ang ganda ng arko na.
Yeah.
Diba? Permission mo.
Ganyan kayo pag magre-renew. Dapat prepared kayo. O, yan. Sa Muslim nyo pa-renew. O.
Pakikinggan ko lang.
Ayan, o. Good morning. What up,
Hindi natin na-vlog kagabi yung room. Sobrang
friends?
party.
Oh.
Laki.
Ito yung room namin. Ayan. As you can see. Ayan. Medyo malaki talaga siya. Ayan. So, ito. Papunta na kami sa breakfast.
First floor, no?
Ito kami ng Brunei para sa
Suman. Dapat si Mami lang dito. Kami si Suman, may mama.
Ha?
May mga mga Suman.
Paano mo binasa? Billionth Barrel Monument.
Yan. Saan tayo papunta, Daddy? Water Village.
Alright, so what the village people still get free education, same like the persons in the land. This is one of the example of primary schools.
That's school.
It's the school, yeah. So this school, in the land we have school bus. In the water we have the water bus. No, water boat.
Kampong Ayer. Pero pronounced as Ayeng, Kampong Ayeng. So, yun yung bridge nila para kung maglalakad sila. Ang tawag dyan, Water Village.
It's the fire station. Why we have fire station in the water? Most of the houses burn because of electricity. Yeah, and then some of the people living here is the old people. They forgot to turn off the stove, maybe something like that. And then because of the electricity, that's why.
Natatakot siya.
Sumunod.
Nice house.
Yeah, okay. So this is the living room for all the family, and then you can see on this side. Okay, the wife of the chief is making the basket on this side. Okay, and then she sells it, so you can buy the ready-made outside. Yes, and then you can ask the price. This is the costume that we use for the dancer.
Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ito daw tayo sa yate mo. May binili ka ba?